is a mistake, a bad decision to put several huntsman spiders together in a single container and try to feed them. Because these spiders are not like the others. At first, everything seemed calm. They just crawled around, searching for a corner to hide. But within moments, one of them turned aggressive. It attacked another spider, and soon a fight for survival began. So why do huntsman spiders attack each other? After all, they're from the same species. Shouldn't they coexist peacefully? The truth is, huntsman spiders are solitary predators. In the wild, they live and hunt alone. They don't share their space, food, or shelter with others. When two adult huntsman spiders meet, their instincts tell them, fight or die. In captivity, like inside this container, there's nowhere to run or hide. When food is limited or when one spider feels threatened, cannibalism begins. The stronger one attacks, using its long, powerful legs to pin the other down. It bites, injecting venom that paralyzes its victim within seconds. And then the horrifying part begins. The huntsman starts feeding on the weaker one, consuming its soft tissues, legs, and abdomen. To a spider, it's just another meal, full of protein and moisture. But to us, it looks brutal. The next morning, only part of the victim remained, legs scattered, a few dry pieces of the exoskeleton left behind. That's what was left of the losing huntsman. This isn't unusual in nature. Many spiders, including orb weavers and tarantulas, sometimes eat their own kind, especially during mating or when food is scarce. But the huntsman takes this to another level. Even juvenile huntsman spiders can show aggression toward their siblings if kept together too long. What would happen if we put other species of spiders together in the same way? Most of them would probably do the same. Spiders are not social creatures, except for a few rare communal species. For example, jumping spiders, wolf spiders, or tarantulas, if confined in one place, would eventually attack each other too. It's their instinct. To them, another spider isn't a friend or a neighbor. It's competition or food. So, what started as an experiment to feed them turned into a brutal reminder of nature's law. Only the strongest survives. Huntsman spiders are fascinating creatures. Fast, powerful, and surprisingly intelligent, but also merciless when cornered. They don't hunt in groups, they don't share meals, and they don't forgive intruders. So, if you ever find a huntsman spider in your home, be careful. It's not your enemy, but it's definitely not a creature that tolerates company. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting, make sure to subscribe for more amazing and strange facts about the world's most fascinating creatures.